It all begins with high-quality materials and one simple goal: to provide our customers with exceptionally made sheds, barns, garages, and cabins. How exciting! Your new structure has been built and is now scheduled for delivery. Here's what you can expect next. Your new structure is in good hands. Our drivers are professional, very skilled, and have years of experience. We promise to make your delivery as simple, easy, and stress-free as possible. At Premier Portable Buildings, the delivery is done with the utmost of care and consideration for your new building and property.